I think we'll be able to attract more clients, retain more clients, because we have a brand that's very strong and prominent. And if we'd tried to do acquisitions under our previous lack of a brand, it would have been more tenuous and frustrating.
Yeah, there's a variety of ways we come in contact with our customers. You know, it may be tech support, or they may be reviewing one of our training videos, or reading a white paper, or visiting our website. And so we want every contact they have with Seattle Technology Group to be a positive experience and make them have confidence in the company and enjoy working with us. And we've really seen that, gotten lots of compliments from our customers, and this allows us to retain customers and allows us to get new customers. So it's been a really positive, positive experience.
If what you're producing in your printed materials and your online materials really don't match with your personalities, your brand, then people, they get a mistrust. And I firmly believe that, and I know a lot of marketing campaigns fail because there's that lack of congruence between what people see and what they actually experience. And after Microstack moved from Bellingham to Austin, we saw a lot of national agencies and look there, and nobody ever could find anything better than what we found at Pivot Lab, honestly. And we interviewed a lot of people.
So I would say the way that Pivot Lab helps our clients earn loyalty from their customers is that we actually look at the company, what is actually natural within that company, how they're naturally going to deliver on something. We look at the customer on a deep level and what their needs are, and we figure out the place where that overlaps. And so when we go to execute, we basically find that space where they can have honest messaging that's easy to deliver on, that's really meaningful to their client. So that automatically creates that loyalty with that customer. They don't have to pretend they're something they're not.